Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're working on the John Deere 111. I was out steering, doing some work with it, and all of a sudden it popped out. The steering rod popped out. So I took it out, I pressed it into my vise a few times, and it's out of round. So I have to get a new, needed a new one. So I went to my boneyard and I took one off of one I already have. You know, it's used, it's still good. So I'm gonna swap it out. Pretty easy to swap it out, but we'll go through it real quick. I turn the steering all the way so that the nut is literally right here. When I put my hand down, it's literally right here. I use just an adjustable crescent wrench. It makes it easier if you can get it in there. Otherwise, you know. There we go. Hold on. All right, so that was the piece that was in there. Is this that goes onto the steering, and like I said, you can see, although maybe I should take it off, but you can see it's out of round. So no matter how many times I pressed it in, it would just pop out as soon as I put some pressure on it when I was steering. So just take this bottom one off. And believe it or not, I recently replaced part of it. This portion, I replaced this not too long ago because it came undone just like this, and unfortunately the side that connects to the steering mechanism is one solid bar. So like I said, I pressed this in here a few times and it just pops out. It's out of round. You can see it. It's out of round. So got a new one, well, a used one off out in the boneyard. So now it's just a matter of, just want to clean these threads up a little bit. All right, so first I'm going to get this one going into the mechanism. There we go. I'll try to get the crescent wrench on there if I can. Just tighten it. Okay, that's pretty tight. And then I just need to get this portion lined up. And I want to try to get the steering wheel lined up too, so that I don't run into a problem. Just clean these threads real quick. Okay. Let's get this on board here. Okay. Don't forget, guys, I like to start the wrong way just to make sure that it lines up the thread so I'm not cross-threading it. And then I'm going to use one crescent wrench on this one on top just to hold it, and then one crescent wrench on the bottom to tighten it. Okay, that's on there pretty tight. Just make sure that this one is good. Doing the same thing. Put one crescent wrench And then the other crescent wrench. And just see if I can get that. There's not a lot of room in there, which really... There we go. That's on there pretty tight. So let's see. Steering should work. Yep. And that's it, guys. So now it's got a new steering rod all in place. I mean, it's used, but it's a good fix for a long time. So that's it. I know the part. If you find something used, probably gonna spend 40-50 bucks on something used. New, I think through John Deere is like 360 bucks for a brand new part. Luckily I had one, a John Deere I got in my boneyard. Was able to get a piece off for free. So we'll save this. Actually, I'm gonna take this off, save it, keep it in the boneyard, and in the future if I need it, I got it. So hopefully that gives you guys some help if you ever have a problem with your steering. But don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. It's free to subscribe. Comment, let me know what you think. I'm not an expert. I'm just a handy guy doing it on my own. But all right, until next time, guys, don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try. See ya.